Hi. So today we are going to run a test on one of our solar panels we are using to work today. As I always said in the past, that one of the things that made our work at QNG unique is that we try to use the best components for our installation. And it's one of the important things that any good solar company or any good installer should adopt. There are a lot of solar panels in the market. However, only few of them are quality and that can give you the desired output. The solar panel is always the first or is the primary energy generation of any solar PV system. So if your solar panel is not good, your work is not going to be good. So we're going to run a voltage test on this solar panel here. So what we have here is a 665 watt Trina monocrystalline solar panel. Today we are installing 36 pieces of it. So we're going to run a voltage test on one of these to see if the voltage is anyhow or is any way close to the rated voltage. The rated open circuit voltage of this solar panel, that's the VOC, is 46 volts. So the solar panel, it's not inclined at any angle, so we might have a little bit of reduction, but we are still going to test it to see what the rated voltage, if the tested voltage is anything close to the actual rated voltage. And what we are testing here is the open circuit voltage. The solar panel is not connected to anywhere. The open circuit voltage is the voltage of a solar panel when it's not connected to any load. So let's go on right now and test it. Give me this. So we're going to connect our negative terminal of our digital multimeter to the negative side of the solar panel, the negative terminal of the solar panel, and then we're going to connect the positive to the positive side of the solar panel. So I'm going to clear out a bit so that the solar panel will receive direct rays from the sun. So right now we have about 42.96 volts. The sun is not so strong right now. This is still morning. And also the solar panel is not inclined at a good angle. So this is just the solar panel standing at a horizontal. Can you bend it down a bit? Fine. So we have almost 48 volts of open circuit voltage. So what does this mean? This simply means that we are using the best solar panel, and like I said, it's one of the things that makes our work unique. One of the things we try to sell at QNG is value, not even price, because if you only consider price, you might end up losing the value of the entire installation. So this solar panel is a tier 1 solar panel. It's top grade, it's quality. It has about 12 years of warranty. So what this means is that this solar panel will work at this same rate for the next 12 years before you notice any observable or significant degradation in the power output. So stay tuned as we continue this installation. Peace.